Hello everyone, today's I'll show you how to earn 0 point for BNB. Now I have 0.005 BNB on my wallet. First of all, we click on the browser button, then search redstone.finance. Foreigners has all information. Redstone is Redstone project. Scroll down. Copy the smart contract. Go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your airdrop website. Then click Claim 619 Red. Button, click Connect and confirm to their website. Go back to your website. And click Swap button. Connect your wallet, and click Swap button. Wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0 point for BNB. But just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.